Morocco is a country known for its rich culinary traditions, which reflect its diverse cultural influences, including Berber, Arab, Jewish, and European. Moroccan cuisine is a blend of bold flavors and spices, resulting in a unique and unforgettable dining experience. One of the most iconic dishes in Moroccan cuisine is tagine. A slow-cooked stew made with meat, vegetables, and spices. The dish is named after the conical-shaped earthenware pot in which it is traditionally cooked. Tagine can be made with a variety of meats, including lamb, beef, and chicken, and can be flavored with a range of spices, such as cumin, cinnamon, and turmeric. Tagine can be made with a variety of meats, including lamb, beef, and chicken, and can be flavored with a range of spices, such as cumin, cinnamon, and turmeric. Another popular dish is couscous, a grain dish made from semolina that is often served with meat or vegetables. Couscous is a staple food in Morocco and is often served on special occasions or as a main dish during Friday lunch. Harira, a hearty soup made with chickpeas, lentils, and tomatoes, is another popular Moroccan dish. It is often served during Ramadan and is a common starter dish in many Moroccan restaurants. Morocco is also known for its use of preserved lemons. Which are used to add a tangy, citrusy flavor to many dishes. The lemons are preserved in salt and lemon juice and are often used in tagines, stews, and salads. Moreover, Moroccan cuisine features a variety of unique bread, including khabs. A round, flat bread made with semolina flour, and mizmen, a square-shaped, layered bread that is often served with honey or jam for breakfast. In addition to these main dishes, Morocco has a range of sweets and desserts, such as shebakia, a honey and sesame seed cookie, and pastilla, a sweet and savory pastry filled with chicken or seafood and topped with powdered sugar and cinnamon, such as shebakia, a honey and sesame seed cookie, and pastilla, a sweet and savory pastry filled with chicken or seafood, and topped with powdered sugar and cinnamon. Moroccan mint tea, also known as atay, is a ubiquitous drink in Morocco and is often served with meals or as a welcoming gesture to guests. The tea is made by steeping green tea leaves with fresh mint leaves and sugar, resulting in a refreshing and fragrant beverage. Lastly, Morocco has a thriving street food culture, with many vendors selling a range of delicious snacks and dishes. Some popular street foods include bistilla, a flaky pastry filled with spiced chicken or seafood, and makouda, a deep-fried potato fritter. In addition